Last time, we
Yeah,
were
recording.
able, hi Mark, we were able to study simplifying expression. We know how to simplify expressions, right? When you have the same variable, you will be able to add or subtract those um, expressions or terms. Every term that you can see, and then you will have the same term, you can be able to subtract or add them. But if you do not have a term wherein it doesn't have any common at all, especially the variables, that you will not be able to subtract or what do you call this one? You cannot be able to add them. Okay. So I will have to uh, review you once again regarding the simplifying of expressions wherein you will be able to know how to add or subtract those terms wherein they are considered as like terms. Like terms. Okay? So I will have to share this one to you. I will know if you still remember our previous lesson. Okay, look at this. Can you see it? Can you see
Not
this one?
done. Oh, I see it now.
Yes, you can see it. See
Yes,
how
I
many?
think
I forgot. I almost revealed the answer. I almost revealed the answer. So we have nine expressions that we are going to solve. Okay? So, if you still remember our lesson last meeting, if you still remember our lesson last meeting, can you be able to give me the correct answers? Especially for number one. Number one. For number one, negative 4p plus 7p. Okay, take note. The two terms, the first term and the second term, they have the same variable. The only difference among the two terms is that they have different sign. How are you going to add or subtract the question number one? What will be our answer? On next meeting, I'm going to give you a quiz. What will be our answer? Anyone? Take note. We are going to add or subtract an integer wherein the said integer has different sign, negative and positive. What are we going to do considering that the variable is just the same? So there will be no problem with the variable. We can combine, we can actually combine like terms. So for number one, we have the same term. So the only problem with that one is to simply add or subtract the terms, the same terms. So who can give me the correct answer for number one? Anyone? Okay, so look at this. I will have to give you time, excuse me. I will have to give you time to answer 9 problems. After which, I'm going to ask you to correct your own works. You have to correct your own works. Let me see if you were able to understand our lesson or if you were able to remember the lessons that we had last meeting. So I will have, the time is 7:07 p.m. I will have to give you until 7:12, only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. I will give you only 5 minutes to answer the 9 problems. Answer the 9 problems. Let me see. Write it on your notebook. Write it on your notebook. Then we will have to check it afterwards. That will be a review to know if you were able to understand our previous lesson last meeting. Are you ready? You can start now. So you still have four more minutes. Are you done? We still have 3 more minutes. I was actually solving the problems. Do you call this one? I'm solving it through using my mind. 3 minutes more. Okay, 2 minutes more. You know what? It's very hot. I went to take a bath because it's really hot. I am actually in front of an electric fan. Even though I already took a bath, it's still very, very hot. So I do not know if it is only me who feels very hot, or the temperature right now here in our country or in our place is very hot. 2 more minutes. Why math? To answer Mark's question, why math? Math, we need to study math because math is a part of our daily lives. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing that you look up is actually your clock. The first thing that you look up is actually your cell phone, because you are going to look for the time. After getting up, we're going to eat your breakfast, take a bath. Still, you're thinking about math because you are looking at the clock from now and then, because you might actually get late from school. After going to school, or before going to school, you are wondering how many minutes will I be able to go to school. It depends upon the traffic. So if it is a heavy traffic, more or less it will took time, right? So how many minutes would that be? And then if you are going, oh, it's already time. Okay, who can give me their answers? Who would like to answer number one? Who would like to answer number one? Anyone? Just raise your hand. An emoticon hand in your computer or cell phone. Who would like to answer number one? Would you like to share to us your answer, Tristan?
Me.
Yeah, Mark, would you like to share to us your answer?
Okay.
What is your answer?
I'm afraid.
Yeah. What are
Right.
you? Don't be afraid.
3P.
3P. Okay. How about the others? What is your answer regarding number 1 question? Anyone? You can actually go to the chat box and chat your answer. 3P. So Mark's answer is 3P. How about the others? You can go to the chat box and type your answer. So Mark's answer is 3P. How about the others? Take note, Mark is not that good in mathematics and is very vocal about that one. Right, Mark? He's actually telling you or telling us that he's not that good in mathematics. He still feels that he's not that good in mathematics. But still, he was able to give me an answer. How about the others? How about the others? Who can give me their others? Simply type it on the chat box so that we will know if we can actually, okay, take note, if we can check your answer and be able to know who are those who remembers the lesson last meeting. Anyone? So only Mark? Is it only Mark whose Honey's answer is also 3P? Very good, Honey. Take note. Only Honey and Mark submitted or sent me their response. How about the others? Well, I actually didn't do anything. When Miss Samira say, when Miss Samira say how many
So
minutes?
when someone is trying to solve the answer.
Okay. Shitya. Thank you, Shitya. Okay, how about Inda, Tristan, Feby? Who else? And Noel. Oh, Noel is here. Hi, Noel.
Hello, Miss.
Yeah. Send me your answer on the chat box so that we will know if you got the correct answer. Joke time. Number one for number one. So Pebby is 3P also, Shitya 3P, Honey 3P, Mark also 3P. How about 3P, 3 and P emotion face? Who's that? Ah, okay.
Just want to play around and goofing around since I got the answer.
Yeah, I think the 3 and the P emotion face is actually an emotion face wherein the emotion face is actually taking out his tongue, right? Something like that. I do not know.
Like like
Right?
this one.
That one, the D, is actually
Emoji. The first emoji.
laughing. An emotion face that is laughing. Okay, Noel. So everybody, I think everybody answered 3P. Okay, let us check if all of you are correct. Take note. We are looking at negative 4P plus 7P. And I also indicated earlier that they have the same term, but they do not have the same sign. So last time we were able to learn about the signs, the integer signs, right? The integer signs. So if you look at, if you are going to add or subtract, take note, if considering we are going to add, and then as we look at it, we saw that they have different sign. So when we are going to add two terms or two expressions wherein those expressions doesn't have the same term, instead of adding, what are we going to do? Instead of adding, we are going to add or subtract. What do you think? We are going to Shitya, what are we going to do if you are going to add or if you are going to add two integers wherein they have different sign? What are we going to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? Anyone? Anyone would like to answer? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? They have different terms and a sign, and then we are going to add it.
The
What are
number
we
2.
going? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract. Very good in that. We are going to subtract. Take note. Which is bigger? Is it 7 or 4?
7.
7. What is the sign of 7? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So since we subtracted 7 and 4, we are going to adopt the sign of 7. So the answer would be positive 3p or 3p only. Very good. Everybody got it right. Okay. Wow,
Yay.
Mark, you are telling us that you do not know the answer and yet you were able to get the correct answer. How about number 2? Who would like to share their answers for problem number 2? Who would like to answer the problem number 2? Again, you may send your answers through through the chat box. You may send your answer through the chat box. By the way, all those who were able to get the correct answer, check your answers. Then we will know later who got who got 100% score, which is 9/9.
Is that subtraction or negative?
Huh?
Is in 2A is subtraction or negative?
Oh, okay, so you can say it can be negative or it can be subtracted, something like that. Subtraction and negative is just the same sign.
They
Yeah,
look the same.
you
That is
can call it in two
confusing
different terms.
because they're to solve the problem, negative and subtraction for me it's different.
Okay, so what is the difference among the two? Can you tell us the difference? Can you tell it to us?
I see, but first I need to question to Miss Amira.
Yes. So I answered you already.
What is that? Is it a subtraction or is it a negative?
Okay, we all know that a negative sign has the sign of a subtraction sign, right? They just have the same sign. The subtraction is actually the operation. The subtraction is actually the operation. When we are going to subtract, we are going to use the negative sign or the minus sign. Right? We are going to subtract the minus sign or use the minus sign or the negative sign.
Oh, negative.
Yes. Okay, who would like to give me the correct answer for number 2? Okay, by the way, let me show you the answer for number 1 so that you will know that we got the correct answer. Slowly because we may reveal the answer. Okay, the correct answer is 3, 3P. Okay.
Yes.
Take note, you should look for those terms which has the same term. That would be the only thing that you can add or subtract. Those will have the same term. But if you cannot see any term at all that has the same or the similarities, then leave it as it is. Okay, who would give me the answer for number 2?
Please wait. Typing.
Yeah, nobody even sent the answer yet.
I'm scared they're trying to type it.
For you. Huh?
I'm scared they're trying to type it.
You shouldn't be scared. Don't be scared. Nobody will judge you anyway. They will not judge you. Don't forget about that one. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mark, check your answer. Maybe you just overlook something. Check your answer. I already saw your answer, but check your answer. There is something with which you may overlook. It's almost correct, but there is one thing, one term, which is actually lacking. Check again your answer. How about the others? Okay, again, be motivated. Mark is very vocal about not understanding mathematics very well. You all know that one. He has been telling us, oh, Teacher Samira, I cannot understand. He's always telling us that one. But if you look at his answer is almost correct. There is one thing that is lacking. Check your answer, Mark. It's almost correct. There is one thing with which you just overlook.
I feel they're correct.
Yeah, just check your answer. Listen to me. Listen to me. I will not tell you this unless otherwise it's wrong. So that is why I'm telling you to check your answer. There is one term with which it is lacking. Among the 4 terms that we can see from your answer, there is that one term from your answer that is actually lacking. Anyone? Okay? Nobody sent their answers yet. Please cooperate. We need to know.
Answer.
Have you seen what I am trying to tell you?
Yes.
Okay, can you send the correct answer now?
In the chat box.
I am looking at the chat box, but I did not see any new messages at all.
Maybe it's glitching.
Huh?
Maybe something is not right. I just read the new answer.
You just wrote the new answer. I was not able to receive it yet. Okay. Send your answers now so that I will see. Okay, I saw. Okay. Aha, still you were not able to see it. It's okay about the placement of each term. I am not particular about the placement of each term, but what I'm particular about is that you added the 2 terms, the 2 like terms from the problem wherein it is lacking. Okay. Any other students who can give me their answers? It is as if Mark is trying to make a program in a computer. He's using this 1 and 0. There is 1, 2 here. Okay. Send your answer to the chat box. You can send your answer to the chat box. The one off is 2. There is only 1, 2 from the numbers that you send to the chat box. Okay, spot the 1 off in the binary. That would be the number 2. Okay, send your answer. Yeah, I saw it. I already saw the difference. I mean the difference. Anyone? Okay, 6W33Y. Okay, 3WY. Noel, your answer. Check your answer, Noel. Check your answer. Check your answer because as per it is same with Mark. There is one term that is not correct from your answer. Check your answer. What is this? Maybe somebody is trying to type. Okay, send me the answer. Send me your answers. Anyone? Send me your answers. Okay, wait. Send me your answers. Send me your answers. Crucio, if right. What is that? Okay. Okay.
Found it?
Do you need me to reveal the answer now?
No,
Do
no,
you
no,
need me to
no, no,
reveal the
please.
answer now?
Guys, done. I want to do it myself until I find
Okay.
the
Let
answer.
me see. Wait a minute. Let me see Mark's answer. As I told you earlier, Mark's answer, there is one term from Mark's answer, which is 6W minus 12WY minus 3 minus 4Y, which is actually not correct. The only thing that made it becomes wrong is that it is lacking. So it is almost correct, but there is this one term with which it is lacking. So maybe when he added or subtracted the numbers or the term, he was not able to get the correct answer. Okay, check it. Check.
What? What?
Hey, I rebuilt it already. Have you seen the answer? Were you able to see the answer?
I say.
Look at this. Look at
No,
this.
don't show it. Don't
I
show
will
it.
have to give you the answer.
No,
Just
no.
hope that
No.
this
Please.
one.
I
Okay.
already found the answer.
I
This is
need
the
to write this one. So 6W, right? 6W. Is there any other terms wherein it only has W? Is there any other term from the problem that has only one W aside from 6W? Anyone? No? Okay, so we will write 6W as it is because there is no other term wherein there is another W from the problem. Okay, minus 9WY, right? Minus, look at the other terms wherein there is also WY. There is also the presence of WY. And that is 4WY. Okay? Minus 3. Do you think there is another constant that you can see from the term or from the expressions wherein it is just a constant? Same with 3, may be another number. So since we look at it, as I look at it, there is no other number aside from 3. Okay? Minus, okay, 4y. Okay. There is no other term again which has only y. So the 4y here, we may write it as it is. Okay. We are now going to combine terms. Simply rewrite 6W. Okay. Take note. Negative 9W minus the 4WY. Negative 9WY minus 4WY. What will be our answer? Take note. We are supposed to subtract it, but then again, they have the same sign. What are we going to do? Are we going to subtract or are we going to add? What are we going to do? Are we going to subtract or are we going to add? They have the same sign.
I don't very understand with this trick. I only understand my tricks.
Okay, what is your trick?
I don't know, but it's just random. The trick is random. I didn't know how to explain it like.
Okay, so listen. So as I am telling you, look at this. 9WY, and then another term which is 4WY. Take note, they have the same sign. So as we have learned earlier, the last meetings, few meetings, when we are going to add or subtract, okay, we are supposed to subtract. But then again, the other term has the same sign, which is also negative. So instead of subtracting, I will have to add it. So next, I will have to copy the sign which is also negative. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Tristan. 9 plus 4. Feby. Anyone?
9 plus 4 is 11.
9 plus 4 is 11. Is it 11?
12.
I mean 12.
Is it 12?
13. 13.
12. It's 12.
Wait,
Not
it's 13.
12. It's 13. That is the one thing that I'm telling you earlier. That is the one which made your answer becomes wrong. Minus 3 minus 4y. So that is the correct answer. 6w minus 13y minus 3 minus 4y. We can also arrange that one. Okay? We can arrange that one. Okay, so Mark's answer is actually, look at this. Mark's answer is 6w minus 12y minus 3 minus 4y. That is the thing that I'm telling you earlier. That 12y is the 12WY is actually the one that made your answer wrong, because 9 plus 4 is not 12. 9 plus 4 is actually 13. While Noel's answer, just add it on your fingers. 9 plus 4, 9. Okay, this is 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is not 12. That is 13. Okay, so let us correct our answer. Let us correct our answer. Let me see. Slowly, so that we cannot reveal the other answer.
Slowly. Now this is too slow. Come on.
Wait. Okay, look at this. So this was already rewritten and was arranged according to. Okay, but if you look at it. They have just the same answer. Okay, they have just the same answer. So negative 13WY plus 6W minus 4Y minus 3. It was already arranged. It was rewritten and arranged. Okay? Okay, how about number 3? How about number 3?
I can't miss the chance.
Huh?
Only miscount. I can't miss the chance. Only if I...
Yeah, 1% you will miscount, but you did not believe me. I told you to go back and check your answers, but you did not believe me. Right? Okay, how about number 3? Send your answer to the chat box. Send your answer to the chat box. Somebody already sent his answer, and that is Feby. Okay. Thank you, Feby, for the answer. Who else? Feby, very good, Feby. Who else? Okay, Mark. Feby broke your record. She already sent her answer. How about you, Mark? 6x. 6x. Noel, we're talking about number 3, Noel. We are talking about number 3. Okay, 6x. Yes. 6x. Okay, thank you, Noel. I actually thought it was number 4. Okay, so 6x. Who else would like to send their answers? Honey. 6x, because I do not I do not know, and cheat by looking at Febby's answer. Did I tell you that it was already correct, or it was Febby's answer is already correct? Yay, 6x. Mark is a very good. That's right, Noel. Mark is very honest. Thank you, Mark, for being honest. I really like that one. Okay, so Tristan, Shitya, Noel, Honey, Mark, and Febby. I do not see Inda's answer. Is Inda still with us? Yeah, Inda is still with us. Inda, do you have your answer, Inda? So everybody sent their answers already. When there is answer, I cheat. When no answer, then I try. You need to answer. You need to try first. Do not cheat. Okay. So we will reveal the answer. Okay. We will reveal the answer. I will have to erase this one first. We will reveal the answer. I will have to erase this. Okay. We need to reveal the answer. So this one. Look at this. 3x, right? Negative times negative. Negative times negative based on the integer sign that we were able to discuss before. So if you are going to multiply two same sign, the answer would be positive. So it will be positive. So 3 times x will be 3x. Okay. So if you are going to add 3x plus 3x, then the answer would be 6x. So everybody got it right. Everybody got the correct answer. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. That's very easy actually, Mark. Okay, look at this. The correct answer is 6x. Okay, go to... Yes.
How can we make 3x?
How to what?
I'm making 6x. Why answer 6x?
Yeah. Were you not able to show my answer, this one?
6x. Why 6x?
Okay, look at this. If you are going to multiply, first thing first, negative, okay, I will have to rewrite this so that you can see. Okay, 3x minus, okay, look at this. Negative 3 times x. Negative 3 times x. What is your answer? Negative 3 times x. So if you are going to multiply the constant negative 3 and the x, the answer would be negative 3x. Okay, look at this. That will not be the final answer yet. And then again, rewrite 3x. Negative, the minus sign or the negative sign outside will be multiplied to the negative inside the parentheses. So negative times negative based on the law of, or based on the integers, the signs, according to the signs of integers, if you are going to multiply the negative and the negative or the same signs, then the answer would be positive. So that would become positive. And then it will become positive 3x. Now, 3x plus 3x. We may only rewrite the x, but the treatment regarding the constant would be like this. 3 plus 3. What is your answer? 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then copy the variable x. That is why we got 6x. Have you get it, Mark? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. But
Okay.
this is more easier.
Yeah.
Look
Okay.
at this.
Answer.
Line.
Look at this, Mark. Number 3 and number 4 is almost the same. Number 3 and number 4 is almost the same. Try to answer number 4. Send me your answer through chat box. Somebody already sent me the answer. Okay. 5S. And Mark, 5S.
I'm 5S. Trust me, I'm 5S. I'm trying to answer it, but yes.
Mark. Is it an honest answer or is it just an answer because you saw everybody got the same answer.
I'm trying to, but I got the answer. But
Oh,
then,
okay. Okay, let us see. Let us see. Okay, let us see. So everybody's answer is 5S. Why is it 5S? So we are going to check this one. And then after which we are going to reveal the answer. Okay. Write 6S. Right? And then plus, take note plus. And then negative 1. Negative 1 times S. Negative 1 times S. The answer would be negative 1S, or we may opt to write only negative S, because we all know if there is a variable, then we may not write the 1. If there is the presence of the variable, then the constant would be 1. We may not, or we will not usually write the constant 1 or the coefficient 1. Okay. Again, 6S. Positive times negative based on the signs of integers. If you are going to multiply positive and negative, or negative and positive, or in other words, if you are going to multiply two different sign integers, then the answer would be negative. So 6S minus 1S. Again, I told you, since they have same term, we may just simply copy the S and treat the coefficient as it is. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Then copy the variable S. Therefore, the answer would be 5S. 5S. Okay, let us reveal your answer. The correct answer is 5S. Very good. Yes.
We have 5
Check
seconds.
your answers. Huh?
Look at the chat. If we have 5 seconds to live, what would you do?
What? What would you do? Okay. Integers is just like numbers. Numbers. Any numbers. May it be positive or negative numbers. Okay. Number 5.
The word integers make me very, very confused. It feels
Okay,
like
so
my
instead
brain.
of saying integers, I will have to tell the class about numbers. Negative numbers or positive numbers, so that you will not get confused. Okay, how about number 5? What about number 5? I already know it. You know it? Then send me your answer. If you already
I already
know it.
know it. I already know the minus thing there.
Okay.
Just don't say integer. That just make me very confused.
Okay. Go. Send me your answer. Nobody sent their answers yet. So you may send your answer ahead of the class. So that I will not think that you just simply copied it, or the class will not think that you only copied your answer. Okay. Send your answers, class. Are you still solving? Feby, you may send your answer already.
Sorry, baby. I said it first.
Okay, number 5. 19S, negative 19S plus 5. Mark, 11S plus 5. Okay. And then, who else? Oh, Mark changed his answer. Negative 19S plus 5. Okay, be careful. Be careful about the sign. Okay, be careful about the sign. Typo mistake. What type of mistake are you talking about? Ow! I almost revealed the answer. I hope nobody saw the correct answer. Huh? Okay. Okay, check your answers. Forgive me. S plus 5. Okay, so Hani's answer is different from Noel and Mark. Negative 19s plus 5, negative 19s plus 5, and then s plus 5. Different answers. So there are different answers. Now you will get confused. Okay. Who might have the correct answer? Will it be Mark and Noel, or will it be Honey? Okay, how about the others? You may send your answers. You may actually send your answers on the chat box. Let me see if you have different answers from Honey and Mark and Noel. So there are actually two different answers now because the two boys, Noel and Mark, they have the same answer. Febby's answer is 10 times quantity 9 minus 5. Okay? Negative 10 times 9 minus 5. It's your Febby. Oh, so Febby's answer is also different from Honey and from Mark and Noel. If I type too fast, then I got typo. You got typo.
Like trying to say, let's say what is the long word? Exclusive.
Okay. Okay, so look at this. There are actually two answers. There are actually two answers. So Febby forgot the S. Instead of writing S, she wrote 5. Okay, so there are 3 different answers now. Take note, there are 3 different answers now. But if you'd ask me if there is a correct answer already, there is 1. Among the 3 different answers, there is already 1 correct answer. The problem is
Me and Noel.
student, or who might that student, may it be a boy or a girl, who got the correct answer? That would be the question now. Take note, the 4 students who submitted their responses are Honey and Febby. They are both girls. And then Mark and Noel. They are both 2 boys. Okay. Is there any other students who would like to send their answers? Is there any other students who would like to send their answers? Tristan, Inda, who else? Do not be too sure. Do not be too sure. Shitya, how about Shitya? Who else? Tristan and Inda. What is your answer? So there are already 3 answers. At 4 answers actually, but among the 4 answers, there are 2 students who got the same answer. Okay. So, should I reveal the answer now? Should I reveal the answer now, or you still have to send your answer for all those students who was not able to send their answers? Okay. Okay, I think I will have to reveal the answers, the correct answer. Oh, let me see this new message. Okay. The correct answer is, will it be Mark or Noel, Honey, or Febby? Who says Mark and Noel?
Me and Noel are the same answer.
Yeah, who says Mark and Noel? Mark and Noel also. How about Febby? Who says Febby? Send your emoticon hands on your screen so that I will have to count it. So based on Mark and Noel's vote, there are already 2 who says that they have the correct answer. How about Febby's answer? Who says that it was Febby who got the correct answer? You may send your emoticon number. Negative 19s for +5 for the win. Okay. Nobody is raising their hand, their emoticon hand for the vote of Honey's answer. For Honey's answer, it was only Honey. Okay, how about no, it was Feby. How about Honey's answer? Who said that it was Honey's answer? Who is the correct answer? Negative 19s +5. Well, and Mark has been very persistent that they got the correct answer. Okay, look closely. Look closely and listen. Listen. Okay, look at this. I will have to write this. Okay, negative 9s, right? And then I will have to write negative times negative 10s because they are those same sign. Okay? Okay. No, let me have this one first so that you will not get confused. +5. Okay. Equals. Negative 9s, write it as it is. Okay. Minus. Okay. Negative 10 times s. Negative 10 times s. What is your answer? Negative 10 times s. Anyone? What is your answer? Negative 10 times s. So the answer for that one would be negative 10s. Okay? Look at it. Yes. Okay. Equals. Plus 5. Equals. Negative 9s. Negative times negative 10s. Negative times negative 10s. You are going to multiply, distribute the negative inside the parentheses. So negative times negative 10s would be positive 10s. Okay. Plus 5. Okay. Look at the negative 9s and 10s. They have this different sign. They are different. They are the same term, but they have different sign. So negative and positive. Negative 9 and positive 10. Which is bigger, 10 or 9? Which is bigger, 10 or 9? Anyone? Which is bigger, 10 or 9?
10.
Answer.
10
Huh?
plus
10.
10.
What is the sign of 10? Is it positive or negative?
Positive with 9.
Positive. Okay, 10 minus 9.
10. 10 minus 9?
Yeah.
Huh?
10 minus 9.
1.
1. 1s plus 5, or it will be s plus 5. Go back to the answers. Go back to the answers. Who among the four students got the correct answer? That lucky one is actually, it is actually
Noel.
Honey. That is Honey. The answer is s plus 5. Very good, Honey. The correct answer is actually s plus 5. Okay, let us reveal the answer. Let us see if we have the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is s plus 5. You are not very careful. You are not very careful. You just simply add the two terms, the negative 10s and the negative 9s, without even looking at the negative outside the negative 10s. Okay, last. Let me see. Answer number 9. Answer number 9. Let me see if you can get the correct answer for number 9.
B.
Huh? Send your answer on the chat box. We only have 2 more minutes. Send your answer on the chat box. That would be the answer for number 9.
B, B, can be. Does it count?
What? Why? I told you. BB is equal to B. BB is not same with B. BB can be, so baby. Okay, what is your answer for number 9? Send your answer. Big boss. Big boss. Send your answer for number 9. Anyone? Anyone? We still have 1 more minute. Send your answer for number 9. Please, Tristan and Inda, send me your answers. Noel. Okay. Number 9, Noel. We are not talking about number 6. Number 9. We are going to answer number 9. So that would be more easier. Or it would be easier compared to number 6. Send me your answer for number 9. No problem, Noel. Send me your answer for number 9. That would be more easier. Mark, you're almost correct, Mark. You're almost correct. Okay. As I am telling you, you're almost correct. So there is one thing that is quite wrong from your given answer. Look closely, double check your answer. You are almost correct. So you just need to double check your answer. You just need to double check your answer. You need to double check your answer. So it's already 8 p.m. So we will have to just simply finish this one. Negative. No, that's not it. That is not. That is not the one. The other one. Okay. Noel, why is it there is 2 negative signs? Why is it there is 2 negative signs? So only Noel and Mark are actually sending their answers. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. I will have to reveal the answer because it's already 8 p.m.
No need. I answer it.
Where is your answer? No?
10, B, 12. What?
There, there is one mistake on that one. Okay. I need to reveal it. Listen, Mike. Look at this. Look at this. I will have to. Okay.
I'll try to answer it, please.
Negative 10B, right? And then there is this positive B. Okay? And then negative 2 and negative 10. Okay. Equals. Which is bigger? 10 or 1?
10.
10. Okay. Since they have two different signs, negative 10 and positive 1, what are we going to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? What are we going to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? What do you think, Noel? Negative 10 and positive B. Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? According to Mark, the bigger number is 10. The sign of bigger number is 10, which is negative. So I will write negative. But the thing is, are we going to add 10, negative 10 to plus 1, or are we going to subtract? They have 2 different signs. Since they have 2 different signs, instead of adding, I will have to subtract. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Who would like to answer? 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, look at this. Copy the variable b. And then negative 2 and negative, they have two same sign. So I will have to add it. So negative 2 and negative 10, if I'm going to add it, then it will be negative 12. So the correct answer would be negative 9b minus 12. But Mark's answer and Noel's answer is negative 10b minus 12. So I was telling you earlier that there is this one term which is actually wrong from your answer. So I was telling you to double check your answer, and yet you did not double check your answer. Okay, let me see. Okay, the correct answer is negative 9b minus 12. I think Sir Harry is here.
Two marks.
Is Sir Harry here? Cannot see it. Hi, Aaron. So Aaron is, because somebody, I think I read Aaron was too late. So I think Sir Harry just left. We did not know that Sir Harry is here.
Maybe Harry was enough with my chat because the chat is says B source equals baby.
Okay, so that is how we are going to add terms having the same variable. Okay, so it's already late. It's 8:04. Actually, if you look at it, it's quite enjoyable, right? It can be very enjoyable if you just simply know what
Okay,
you're
I make
actually doing.
a joke.
Yeah. Okay, so I think it's time for us to go. I was not aware that Sir Harry is here because I was actually trying to explain. But anyway, thank you very much, everyone. I enjoyed our class. Mark's. Oh, Sir Harry was actually here. I was not. Sir Harry already leave?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Sir Harry already left the chat box. Okay, so everyone.
I think I leave because of my SAS chat there.